Exercise 10.1. Question number 1. The radii of two circles are 19 cm and 9 cm respectively. Find the radius of circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of two circles. Here in question we have given two circles of its radii. Then circumference of these two circles is equal to circumference of third circle. Find circumference of the two circles. Find the radius of the circle. Circle's radius find. Let the radius of one circle equals to R1 is equals to 19 cm. Radius of second circle is equals to R2 is equals to 9 cm. Find the radius of the circle and radius of circle which has circumference equals to the sum of circumference of two circles. So radius of circle is equal to r centimeter. It is sum of two. According to the equation, circumference equals to the sum of the circumference of two circles. We write here. Circumference of circle is equals to circumference of the circle is equals to sum of is equals to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Circumference of the two circles. Circumference of first circle. Make circle. Circumference of circle is equal to. What is formula? Circumference of circle 2 pi r. Then we write here 2 pi r equals to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Sum of the circumference of two circles which has radius r1 and radius r2. Then we write here sum of their circumference 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Is equals to 2 into R1 is equals to 19 into pi plus 2 into R2 is equals to 9 into pi. 2 pi R is equals to 19 into 38 pi plus 9 into 18 pi. 2 pi r is equals to 56 pi. Then r is equals to 56 pi upon 2 pi. 5 pi cut. R is equals to 28 centimeters. is equals to 28 centimeter. Then the radius of the circle which has, write the last answer, last statement, the radius of circle which has circumference equals to the sum of the circumference of the two circles is 28 centimeter. This is our last answer. Here R is equal to 28 centimeter and it is our statement. Right statement completely. The radius of the circle which has circumference equals to the sum of the circumference of the two circles is 28 centimeter. Again this question. The radius of one circle is equals to R1 is equals to 18 centimeter. Radius of other circle, second circle is equals to R2 is equals to 9 centimeter. Radius of the circle which has circumference equals to the sum of the circumference of the two circles is equals to R centimeter. Here I write on in short, radius of circle is equals to R centimeter. Now according to question, circumference of the circle is equals to sum of the circumference of two circles. 2 pi r is equals to 2 pi formula 2 pi r is equals to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2, then r is equals to 56. The radius of, otherwise we write like this, 2 pi r is equals to 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Here common part 2 pi r1 plus r2. Then r is equals to 2 pi r1 plus r2 upon 2 pi 2 pi cut. R is equals to, what is the value of r? 18 plus here 19. 8 r1 is equals to 19 plus 9. R is equals to 28 centimeter. You calculate this sum like this, otherwise like this. Anybody? Any? As you like. Now, question number 2. The radius of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equals to the sum of the areas of two circles. It is like question number 1. In question number 1, radius are given, then find the radius of other circle is equals to sum of the condition is like this. The circumference of the circle is equals to sum of two circles. Here, radius of the circle having area equals to the sum. Here, area equals to sum of the areas of the circles. In this question, we use a formula of area of the circle. Formula is area of the circle. Radius of one circle is equals to R1 in centimeter, then we write centimeter is equals to R1 is equals to 8 centimeter. It is given 8 centimeter. Radius of second circle is equals to R2 is equals to 6 centimeter. Now, radius of circle is equals to R, which having area equals to R centimeter, having area equals to the sum of area of areas of the two circles. Radius of one circle is equals to R1 is equals to 8 centimeter. Radius of second circle is equals to R2 is equals to 6 centimeter. Radius of circle is equals to R centimeter, having area equals to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Right from the question. According to question, area of circle is equals to area of circles is equals to the sum of the area of the two circles. Sum of area of the two circles. Area of circle. What is formula? Pi r square. Yes, correct. Sum of area of two circles which has the radius r1 and r2. Then we write here pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Pi r square is equal to pi common r1 square plus r2 square. We like to do like this. Otherwise, put the value r1 is equals to 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Then we write r square is equals to pi r1 square, 8 square plus 6 square upon pi. R square is equals to 8 square is equals to 64 plus 36. R square is equals to 100. 100 is which number square? 10. R is equals to plus minus 10. But we know radius can't be negative. Plus 10 or minus 10. R is equal to minus 10 or plus 10. But radius can't be negative. Therefore, radius of the circle having area equals to the sum of the areas of the two circles is equals to 10 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to 10 centimeter. Then, the radius of the circle the circle having the area of is equals to the sum of the areas of area of the two circles is 10 centimeter. It is our statement and our answer is radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Radii of two circles are given 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let it here R1 is equal to 8 centimeter and R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. Find R. Then radius of circle is equal to R, whose area is equal to sum of two circles. Pi r square is equal to area of circle formula pi r square. Then pi r square is equal to sum area of one circle pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Pi is common, then r1 square plus r2 square, 8 square plus 6 square, 64 plus 36, pi by cut. Here r square is equal to 100, r is equal to plus minus 10. But radius can't be negative. Therefore, r is equal to 10 centimeter. And then write statement from the question: the radius of the circle having area equals to the sum of the area of two circles is, last answer, 10 centimeter. Question number 2 completed. Question number 4. The wheels of car are of diameter 80 centimeters each. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? When the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour, pi is equal to 22/7. Here we have given diameter of wheel. Diameter is equal to 80 centimeter. Therefore, radius is equal to diameter by 2 is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40 centimeter. Radius of wheel is equal to 40 centimeter. Revolution. What is revolution? A wheel, suppose it is a wheel, then this take here, this wheel is start here and its revolute here 1, then find it is 2, like this revolution. How many revolutions in 10 minutes at the speed of 66 km per hour? Revolution, that means we find its circumference. Revolution, distance or circumference of wheel is equal to, what is circumference? Is equal to 1 revolution. Circumference of wheel is equal to 2 pi r. Distance of covered in 1 revolution, 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 40. Is equal to 1760 upon 7 centimeter. In revolution, one revolution it covers 1760 upon 7 centimeter. In one revolution, it's covered 1760 upon 7 centimeter. Will cover 1760 upon 7 centimeter. Now, what is given? Speed in kilometer per hour. Then we find speed is equal to 66 kilometer per hour is equal to, we convert into centimeter and minute. 10 minutes. We have here find the revolution in 10 minutes. Find how many revolution it will make in 10 minutes. Therefore, 66 multiply kilometer into meter. Kilometer is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then we multiply 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Convert into centimeter. Then we get here 100 divide by all into minute. 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeter per minute. In 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, it will cover distance is equal to, in 1 minute they covered this distance, then in 10 minutes is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 into how many minutes? 10 minutes is centimeter is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeters. Find how many revolutions in this distance. Find how many revolutions in this distance. We know in this distance, if revolution is equal to 1, therefore how many revolutions in this distance? Length and revolution in distance. And revolution in distance, centimeter distance. Therefore, 1760 upon 7 centimeter distance covered in one revolution. How many distance covered? One revolution. In one revolution, then how many distance? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 centimeter distance covered in how much revolution? Then we put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upon 1760 upon 7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Multiply 7 divided by 1760 cut. Here 11 ones are 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 ones are 11, 11 six are. Now 16. 4 4s are 16. 4 25s are 100 into 100. Here 4 25s are into 100. 25 into 25 into 7 is equals to 625 into 7 and revolution. How much revolution? And revolution again is equals to 7 5s are 35, 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 and 3, 17, 1, 7 6 are 42 and 4 3 7 5 revolution. Then we write statement here. Each will make 10 will make 4375 revolution in 10 minutes. Each will make 4375 revolutions in 10 minutes. Here n is equal to 4375. We write here n question mark, then n is equal to each will make 4375 revolution in 10 minutes. Again this question. The wheels of car are of diameter 80 centimeters, then we find radius 40 centimeters. How many complete revolution? Revolution, that means its circumference. How many distance? Therefore, we find here circumference 1760 upon 7 centimeter. In one revolution, it covers this centimeter distance. Its speed is given in 10 speed is equal to 66 km per hour. Then we will convert into centimeter per minute is equal to 11000 centimeter per minute. In 10 minutes, we will cover distance is equal to this in 1 minute. In 10 minutes multiplied by 10, it is equal to like this centimeter. Let n revolution in this distance. 1760 centimeter distance covered in one revolution. Therefore, this centimeter distance covered in how much n's revolution? N is equal to